Hey everyone, ciao. So today, it's a pretty cool day. I am here in Florence and I am here at the store where it all began. So this is an interesting story. So I was in Florence 3 years ago. So this was in 2022 and I took a cooking class. And as part of the cooking class, obviously, we cook stuff. But we also stopped at an olive oil store. So it's Pruneti. They sell their oil all around the world. You can actually buy their oil on Amazon. And they make their oil in the Tuscany region, so around Florence. And they have this store in Florence, not too far from the Ponte Vecchio. And I saw on the wall just some words in Italian, and it stood out to me that most of the words in Italian in vowels, and because of that, the Italian language sound just very melodic. It helps the words flow. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, that's that's pretty cool. And then, so that was in May of 2022. And then later that year, for my New Year's resolution, I decided I was going to finally learn Italian, and I searched on a site called Preply, and I saw this video of this cool guy, very energetic, and his name's Joe. And Joe actually happens to be here with me in Florence today. So there's Joe.
Here we are. Ciao.
So this all started in 2002 at this store, and then a few months later, meeting Joe, and he became my tutor and now my friend, and it's just been such a pretty cool experience. And then a few years later, I started my channel, Carl Explores Italy. So it's kind of cool to have Joe here with me as I visit the store. The first time I've been back. So this is how it all began. And I look forward to sharing more about my travels in Italy. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions below. But otherwise, ciao.
Ciao.